What if I told you that understanding the stock market could change your life forever? Whether you're looking to grow your savings, secure your retirement, or become the next multimillionaire, this video is your ultimate guide to mastering the basics of the stock market and doing it the smart way. So we'll dive into everything you need to know about the stock market, from how it works to how you can start investing today. Ready? Let's go. You know how sometimes you need to borrow money, maybe to buy a new bike or a gaming console. Well, it's not just you. Businesses, banks, and even governments need to borrow money too, except they need a lot more than you do. But here's the twist. Instead of asking just one person or a bank, they figured out a way to ask millions of people all at once. That's where the stock market comes in. It's like a giant money marketplace. Companies sell pieces of their business, called stocks, to raise cash. Governments sell something called bonds, which are like IOUs. And there are even other fancy things, like options, for investors to trade. Once these things are out there, their prices don't stay the same. They bounce up and down depending on how many people want to buy or sell them. It's all about supply and demand. The stock market is where all this action happens, and it's how money moves around to build businesses, fund big projects, or even keep governments running. Cool, right? Imagine Alex opens a boutique coffee shop in their neighborhood. The business is thriving. People love the artisanal brews, and there's a line out the door every morning. But Alex dreams bigger. They want to open 20 more coffee shops across the city. To make this happen, Alex needs money, not just a small loan from the bank, but significant funding. Instead of borrowing, Alex decides to sell pieces of the business to the public in exchange for money. These pieces are called shares. When you buy a share, you own a part of Alex's coffee company. As the business grows, your share becomes more valuable, and you might even earn a portion of the profits through dividends. The concept of the stock market isn't new. It started in the 1600s with the Dutch East India Company. To fund their global trading expeditions, they sold shares to private investors in exchange for a portion of the profits. This led to the creation of the world's first stock market in Amsterdam. Fast forward to today, and we have stock markets like the New York Stock Exchange, NYSE and NASDAQ, which trade shares of thousands of companies daily.